What's up YouTube? So today I'll be teaching you guys how to add page numbers for your report. So let's say this is the structure of our report. So I don't want to have a page number for my cover page, and I want to start my page numbering from the acknowledgement, but I want to have Roman numbers. So this will be 1, and abstract will be number 2 in Roman number format. And starting from the introduction, I want this to follow the standard numbering system. Before we proceed, we need to understand how pages are linked to each other in Microsoft Word. So by default, the second page is linked to the first page, and the third page is linked to the second page. So as now, let's say if you add another page, it will be linked to the previous page. So we need to get rid of this link in certain locations. So let's say now we want to add a page number for the acknowledgement. All right, so what I should keep in mind is that I should break the link between the acknowledgement page and the cover page. So how I'm going to do this? So what you need to do is click on top of the acknowledgement page and then go to layout, select breaks, and go for the next page break option. So this will add a page break from starting from the acknowledgement page. And then what you need to do is double tap somewhere on the footer and make sure you deselect the link to previous option on the design tab. So this will break the relationship that it has with the cover page. And now you have successfully broken the link. Um, so what you can do is now go to the introduction page where you want to start the page numbering system from the standard numbering format. Do the same process. Just make sure you tap on the top of the introduction page, go to layout and select breaks and go to the next page break option. And now you have added a page break starting from the introduction page, and make sure you go to the bottom of the introduction page and double tap on the footer section, which will activate the footer section menu. And make sure you deselect the link to previous option on the design tab. So now we have successfully broken the link between the introduction page and the abstract page. So now what we need to do is add the page numbers. So just go to the insert tab and go to page number, and let's say I'm going to go with the I'm going to add the page numbers to the bottom of my page. Alright, so now we can see the page number didn't appear on the cover page, but the page numbers have started to appear in the acknowledgement page, abstract, but um, the page numbering doesn't appear on the introduction page, and so on. But this acknowledgement page has to start from number 1, and it should be in the Roman number format. So what I can do is go to the insert tab, page numbering, and select format page numbers. So I want to start this at 1, so I'm going to select the Roman number format, and then I'm going to hit the OK button. So now you can see the acknowledgement page starts from number 1 in the Roman number format, and the abstract is assigned with number 2 in the Roman number format. Okay, so we'll do the same thing for the introduction page as well. So if I select the introduction page, if I tap on the introduction page, and if I go to insert tab, and if I select the page number option bottom of the page, you can see that the page numbers would start from number 3, 4, and 5. But alright, so what we can do is adjust the page number format. If you go to page number and go to format page numbers, and then we can start numbering our pages from number 1. As you can see, now the introduction is starting from number 1 from the standard numbering format, and it continues As you can see, literature review is numbered as 2 and the methodology page is numbered as 3. So this is how you add page numbers for your report, whether it could be an academic report or a standard report. Sometimes you might have several sections of your report which should be numbered in different format numbers depending on the application. So this is how you basically do it. Alright, thank you guys, and if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, you can just leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.